Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share this video. Business Credit Foundation. The foundation that we walk you through in Credit Suite is universal to the step-by-step system that we use to help businesses build business credit and get finance for their business. It's not an overnight matter. It doesn't happen in minutes or seconds or months based on where you're at inside your business. It's going to vary from person to person, from business to business, from case to case. So there's two tracks to building business credit. The first track in the building business credit that we've used inside Credit Suite is based on the fact that if you don't have personal great credit score and history already laid out, then you can still build business credit because it's a separate entity, it's a separate situation, it's a separate world uh, compared to your personal credit score and history. But if you have a great personal credit score and history of 680 or better, no charge-offs, no late fees, no liens, no levies, no bankruptcies, then we can help you fast track your success to get business credit cards at 0% financing anywhere from 0 to 12 months for the most part. And so that's the fastest way to go if you already got established personal credit score and history already laid out. If you like myself, who not so great with that right now on the personal side, then you can take the business credit route where we're going to strictly set up your foundation first, which we're going to do anyway, regardless of what route you take. The foundation must be first in order to position you to get funding for your business, regardless of the business credit cards, lines of credit, or loans. And we have alternative lenders that allow you to get those things. So it's all about what you qualify for, what your strengths are, what we can leverage right now to get you some funding versus if you don't have anything to leverage, then we have to educate you and show you and prepare you to be able to get the funding you need when you need it by letting you know that you're going to have to do A, B, C, D, and E in order to get you trying to go with some type of funding eventually. And that's going to be based on how fast you move. And how fast you move going to be based on how well you generate income inside your business. So that's why the big picture is you must be generating some form of income inside your business, either from a job, from a side hustle, from friends, family, wherever. The bottom line is you must have income coming in that's going to help you establish business credit much faster, much quicker. Because without income to get the business credit that you must use to help build your credit score in history with Dun& Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian, then it's going to be a slow journey. And so if you got consistent income coming in, money in and money out, then you can apply for business credit all in one day if you want to. You can apply for the 7 vendors I could apply for them all in one day, got approved all in one day, and brought the minimum from each one that it takes for them to report to Dun& Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian, and now I'll be waiting for a profile and score to be set. So I can move on to the next phase, which is tier 2, which is retail credit. Retail credit, of course, is Lowe's, Staples, Dale, uh, and retail vendors like that who have business credit accounts that you can get, which is tier 2. Tier 3 is fleet credit, you know what I'm saying, gas cards, auto financing. And then tier 4 is universal credit, MasterCard, Visa, Discover, MX. And once you get to tier 4 and you got 14 accounts or more established, that's going and an 80 uh, paydex score across all 3. That's going to set you up to build on top of that and make your foundation even stronger while you're getting your personal credit score and history together. If you like myself, who needs to do that as well. So business credit and personal credit combined together will be a powerhouse for you to help get better terms, better rates, and better overall funding for your business, because that's the nature of what great credit happens to do for you on the business side as well as the personal side. Personal will never help you fund the business all the way through. It wasn't designed for that. It doesn't have the capacity to do that. Business credit does. So, like I said, based on where you're inside your business, if you're already top notch with a personal credit score and history, if you got established with personal credit already, anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 to $15,000 already established, you want to leverage your personal credit score to do a personal guarantee to get $20,000 to $30,000 in business credit cards, then that's the route you want to go. You know what I'm saying? But you must start generating significant and consistent income inside your business, because that's going to be the lifeblood of your business, is to be able to generate income on a consistent basis to keep you afloat, to keep you going, to keep you from the next thing to the next thing to the next thing. So my goal is to be a trusted advisor and a valuable resource to the business owners who have a desire to learn personally how to build business credit for themselves, not the done for you method, but proactively learning how to do this for you, because no one knows your business better than you but you. So you want to be proactive in helping it come to life, being up close and personal, what that looks like, what that's going to take, what's required. You want to be a student of what's going to happen inside your business when it comes to building business credit, and not relying on other people to help make it happen by doing done for you methods. And it's wrong. You do what's best for you. You make the defined decisions across the board on what that's going to look like. You know what I'm saying? I'm just giving you my opinion on that. When it's all said and done, this here is a mini course I put together that educates you on the foundation. It's $17 one-time payment. If you decide you want to upgrade into the full-fledged business builder credit program that we have with Credit Suite, then you qualify for a $500 discount off the retail price. The retail price is $2,997 one-time payment, but with the $500 discount, it's $2,497. And we also have payment options. And with me being a partner of Credit Suite, my payment option is going to be different from the company's payment options. And so you basically choose who you want to deal with the most, the company or partner of Credit Suite, who's out here educating and let you know what's going to take for you to help build business credit and give you a low, inexpensive way to see what that looks like. Plus I have a free program inside of there that you can check out as well, but it won't position you to get the $500 discount at all because it's free. The $17 investment is positioning you to get $500 off the program if you decide to invest in the program by seeing what we had to offer, what we do, and how we help with our step-by-step method, our step-by-step strategy to building business credit for your business is awesome. And if you want to learn more, and you simply want to talk first, 773-782-1320. Let's talk, let's chat, let's get to know one another, and I'll see you in my next video.